Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get ranked on the first page of Google faster with your Amazon affiliate sites. So if you're looking at building Amazon affiliate sites, this will definitely help. But to be honest, because it's SEO, this will help with anything that you're trying to rank. So it could be your company website, a personal website, whatever you're trying to do. This will definitely help with all SEO. I'm going to focus on Amazon affiliate sites because they're SEO driven affiliate sites. So they're just sites that are built ranking on Google and they get traffic off of Google, and then the people go through to Amazon, and if they buy, you make a commission. So they're very simple to create, a fantastic way to build a affiliate income and more of a passive income. So just to say, it is a lot of work. You'll see a lot of stuff out there that sort of says, oh, all you have to do is click this button. It is a lot of work, and the reason for that is it's such a lot of content, and you need to know your SEO, search engine optimization. You need to know how to do that, but this will definitely help. I'm not going to make it a long video, but you'll definitely get some nuggets of information, golden nuggets, so do take notes. And if you're interested in having an Amazon affiliate site built for you, a huge one at a really discounted price, do check out this offer. I've put the link below. I've only got 2 spots left for this. It's a Black Friday offer I put on. But instead of just putting a Black Friday offer on and going, buy this, it's fantastic, I wanted to give something back as well and actually show you how to do it as well, regardless of whether you take this offer. If you do choose to take it, you get a 13,000 word Amazon affiliate site built for you. It consists of 5 product reviews of 2,000 words. I'm going to get onto that, why that is on this video, but you get 5 product reviews, 2,000 words per page, and you also get a buyer's guide of 3,000 words, and you're getting a free 5,000 word bonus site, so you can have that in another niche area. It's a fantastic start. It's a brilliant way of doing it, so you can just take the site and then start building it up, knowing that you got one built in the right way. And there's also loads of bonuses here. You get all of these courses, 30-day do it with me course that will show you how to do this step by step, starting from buying the domain and setting up the hosting and doing the keyword research. So it will walk you through that. You get the speed builder templates that will make the content easier. You get the ASON problem solve webinar. That will take you through every single thing that comes up that I've seen people struggle with Amazon affiliate sites, how to set up tracking and so on. You get a full webinar guiding you through that and PDF downloads for each of those niggly areas. You get the traffic secrets, which is more to do with sending traffic to the sites, not just with SEO but with social media, how you can boost the site up. Get results Facebook group. This is my favorite bonus because you're actually getting full one-on-one support. In fact, when you get in that group, you've got a video, videos every week that guide you through the exact steps how to build the site up. You've also got that free 5,000 word Amazon affiliate site. That's a totally free site on top of the one that you've got, and we can pick another niche area for that. And you get a complete plan mapped out for you. This is really good because it will give you a complete step-by-step plan, how much content you should add, exactly what to do. And for the Black Friday, all you need to do is when you go through to the checkout, you can see here all of that is $249. But for Black Friday, if you type in here Black Friday, all one word, and click on apply, the price will update. You can get all in $100 off, $149 for all of that. 13,000 words of content, another 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,000 words of content, because you're getting a 5,000 word site for free with that, and all the content is written by myself. I wanted to do a really, really good offer that will get you moving forward fast. So do check that out, because I've only got 2 spots, and that isn't scarcity or any sort of sales tactic. It's literally, to be honest with you, because I'm writing the content myself, I can't take any. I'm not doing this offer again for this price. I will do this offer in the future, but the content will be outsourced, therefore the price will be higher. It will still be a fantastic offer, but right now you're getting all the content written by myself, so I know it's absolutely perfect, and you're getting off to a really, really good start. So if you want to do that and you want to get everything that you need, do check it out. Okay, I won't spend ages on this. Just check out the link below if you're interested in that. Remember the coupon code Black Friday, no spaces, and you can get that discounted price. Okay, so here's how to rank on the first page of Google, and I'll show you this as well. Show you it actually happening. Here's how you do it. I'll break it down. Grab a pen and paper and take notes on this. So, and you'll see a lot of mistakes that come up. That I see a lot of mistakes people make with Amazon affiliate sites. So number one, the first thing that you want to do is you want to have enough content on the site before you worry about keywords. So that's worth writing down. You don't have to do it like that. In fact, I'm actually going to show you a site that was built as an authority site where I just started putting keyword content on it straight away. As a rule, if you want to get quicker results and you want to get rankings which will lead to sales, because if you're ranking high on search on phrases people are typing in, you're going to make sales. You're going to get people through to the site. The only reason you wouldn't get sales off an Amazon affiliate site is if there's not very many avenues that they can click through to Amazon. But assuming you've got banners on there and contextual links, you're going to start getting clicks through to Amazon and people are going to buy. Okay, but here's the key thing. When we're talking about Amazon affiliate sites, they're really split into two parts. You've got your product reviews, okay, reviews of all these products that will get ranked. This is just TVs, just to show you. It could be any niche, but you've got your product reviews. So if we had a review of this one, and then a review of this one, and then a review of this one, you've got your product reviews, okay? They need to be written well, and this is why I put in that offer. I recommend 2,000 words. A lot of the time people are doing too small amounts of content and just trying to get ranked. Gone are the days of writing 300 words an article and putting it on eZine articles or Squidoo Lens and getting ranked for some of you that can remember that. Gone are those days, okay? That said, it's actually easier nowadays because most people won't do the work involved. They won't think about writing 2,000 word articles and so on. I recommend doing that now. It used to be 1,000, it used to be 500. Now a good level of content that's good content is 2,000 words. But you've got all your product reviews, so you're adding those product reviews to the site. Here's a key thing that I want you to get from this video. Number one, you need enough product reviews on your site before you even worry about keywords. The reason being, or that I recommend doing it like this, is when you've got your product reviews on the site. Let's say we've got 20 product reviews, 2,000 words a piece. That means we've got a lot of information about these products, okay? And even if I'm writing about the Sony XBR55X and so on, even if I'm writing about that, just naturally I'm going to mention words like smart TV, Alexa compatibility, and you'll start to get picked up on a whole host of phrases. Okay, so even when you're doing your product reviews, you're going to start getting picked up on keywords. The traffic that you get from the product reviews won't be a huge amount. So if we had 20 product reviews on the site, if you can picture that, and 2,000 words a piece, it's not like you're going to get a sudden influx of traffic that's absolutely going to break the server and you're going to think, oh my god, it's really took off, unless you're in that small a niche that you're literally ranking on number one of Google for a very in need product. Okay, but normally you'll find that it gets a decent amount of traffic because you're going to have quite 20 pieces of content on the site. You've got quite a lot of content on there and it's well written, let's say, and you're starting to rank and you're starting to appear on Google, okay? But the reason that you want to do your product reviews first and have that much content on the site is then when you start doing your keyword, the keywords that people are searching for, say there's people typing in Sony XBR55X 900F. I'll just show you this. Okay, so if we look at this keyword tool, really good tool, Ubersuggest if you need it, neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Okay, so if we look at this product, let's say we've got product reviews for all of these TVs. You've got 20 on there, okay, and you've got 2,000 words per review, and they're well written and subheadings and all of the stuff. You need to know how to do that. And in terms of searches, and this is actually quite high, you've got 8,100 searches looking for the 65-inch version of that telly, and for the 55-inch 3,600 and 3,600 here. And these are for the specific makes and models for this particular niche, which is quite a high amount of searches. Normally for specific products you're not going to get that high amount of searches, okay? But the reason that you want to have all that review content on there is we know that if someone is viewing your site, if you're ranking on the first page of Google for this phrase, and they land on your site, meaning they click through off Google, these 8,100 people searching for that a month are laser targeted to that TV. So your conversion rate will be higher off of the review terms, okay? So we know that they're looking for that specific TV, whether they're looking for a review, whether they're looking to buy. If you're going to get them through and then you send them through to Amazon, you've got a higher percentage of sales coming from that, okay? The other reason that you want to do all of that product review content before you start targeting larger phrases is this reason. I'll just show you. If I type in smart TV, if this was one of our main phrases, look at the searches for this. A smart TV 32-inch, 60,000. So there's a lot more searches. There we go. Samsung smart TV, 60,500 searches. The reason you want to have all the product reviews on is then when you do your keyword content, and let's say it's a top 10 Samsung smart TVs, you can mention the top 10 and link back to the reviews that you've done. And that's very, very important, okay? You need to know SEO. One of the biggest mistakes that I see is people think, okay, I'm going to do this, and they go mad with the content, link through to Amazon, do everything brilliantly, and then find that the site's not ranking well. And it will normally be because there's no SEO on the site. You need to have that interlinking, like hand-holding, whereby you've got your Samsung TV review for a specific model, and then you've got keywords like best smart TV for movies, best smart TV for sound, best smart TV for dialogue, best 32-inch smart TV, and when you're 60,500 searches for that, and when you're writing on that, what you're doing is linking through to the models that you recommend that you already have reviews for on the site. So you could say stuff like, check this TV out at Amazon.com, or check out a full review that we've done of this TV, and it's interlinking. And in turn, off the review page that you've got for the TV, you could say check out our buyer's guide for Samsung TVs and link back. Okay, so that's very, very important that you do that, and that will cause you to rank. And what will happen, let me just show you this, just to prove the point in this particular niche. So I'm working on a 8K TV site which is very, very competitive. 8K TV is the new 4K, so 4K TVs came out, brilliant pictures, and now 8K is on the horizon. And if you build your sites like that, you'll start to get ranked. Now, it doesn't mean that every single piece of content that you will do will rank on the first or second page of Google, but you don't need every single piece of content to rank on the first and second of Google. Furthermore, when you're doing your reviews, don't feel that when you're doing your reviews you're not going to get picked up for any keywords. I've built sites that are just purely reviews and no keyword content on them, and they've been picked up for keywords anyway, because in the in-depth reviews you're mentioning those keywords, so you're going to start to notice traffic off them. But just to show you, so you start to get picked up like this, you start to get clicks, you get impressions, people seeing the content, and you start to get an average position, and you also start to get picked up for higher positions as well. And then as you keep adding the content, interlinking, and then if you add social media to that as well, it will strengthen the effect. Main things I want you to, and then I'll show you some positions as well, main things that I want you to take away from this is, number one, you need real content on your site. No plugins, scraping content. I know they save time, but they don't do anything. They won't help you, especially the way Google's going. When Google has this search engine and it's wanting to become, it's the biggest search engine, but it's want to maintain that. It wants to keep maintaining that. The quality will go to the top. Okay, so if you have more information about a specific key phrase that actually helps people and is written to help, rather than just stuffed full of keywords or just scraping content, you will do well. And the downside to that is it's a lot of hard work. You need to be a good content producer initially to get the site off, get traction. Okay, so number one, really good content. Number two, really big key point, you need to know SEO, but you don't need to be a professor at it. You just need to know how it works. Okay, I've seen a lot of people with SEO. I've been working with SEO for nearly 15 years, and I've seen a lot of people make it far more complicated than it needs to be. Not that there's not value in that, but what that does when you're starting out is just confuse you. You know, like LSI keywords, silo site layouts, private blog networks, all these things that you can do. When in truth, if you just want to get a site out there and start ranking it, you can do so off the strength of your content, as long as it actually helps. I'll show you this in just a second. Okay, so that's a main thing. Don't just link through to Amazon and that's it. You need to have SEO working on your site and need to know how to do that. And if you can do that, if you can do both of those things and you get a content plan together where you're actively working on it, you can build sites that will rank. And some sites will do better than others and some sites won't. But collectively you're building a business, because you can do that in any niche. I'll just show you this. Okay, so that 8K TV site's starting to push up for lots of phrases. Budget 8K TV, 4,850,000 results. And it's ranking on page 3, is pushing up for that. Okay, in exactly the same way I've sort of explained. I'll also show you this. Okay, so 8K TV brands, there's people advertising on this, big TV companies, Best Buy, well Best Buy is Best Buy. LG, huge TV company, they're advertising and paying per click. And here we go, here's the site, number 1 of Google. Okay, if I type in 8K TV manufacturers, there it is, ranking number 1 of Google with LG paying for the ad. Okay, so when you get to stuff like this, you could ring up LG and say, do you want to put banners on the site? We're ranking number 1. So you've got loads of, I want you to think bigger than just Amazon. There's loads of options if you can do this stuff. But that site is ranking, it's outranking IGN, it's outranking The Telegraph, it's outranking Digital Trends, it's outranking Tech Radar. So you can get ranked, but you need to be able to do that. I hope that makes sense. It's also getting picked up for lots of different phrases, and getting picked up on a good few. Here we go, here's a TV model. So if I go back to here, this is actually a budget 8K TV that's coming out. And there it is, best budget 8K TV on the way. Okay, so, and it get traffic collectively, and as I keep adding to it, it's going to go up, going to go up, going to go up, and that's how you do it. And the best thing is, you don't need to go crazy on it. You just need a content plan together, and you need to know how to pick a great niche, which I haven't covered in this video, but I've covered in plenty of videos how to do that. You need to know how to write the content, and you need to know how to do that properly in line with what Google wants, and it's different to what a lot of people say it is. It's not stuffing your articles full of keywords. The key to good content is this: when someone types in this phrase or buy 8K TV or whatever it is, does your content actually help them? And if your content's just mentioning the keyword again and again, when you're reading through that, it's going to be painful for them to read and it's not helping them. If you write your content purely to help with really good information, you'll do well. If the interlinking on your site links through to content that helps them, so when you mention something like, are you looking for a TV stand as well, and you link through to top 10 TV stands, that's the sort of thing I'm talking about. I hope that makes sense. I know it's a difficult topic because there's so much in it. If you want to get a head start on this and work together and get an Amazon affiliate site built exactly like that, as I've outlaid, check out this link below. It will take you through to this page. There's only 2 spots left, but when you get through, do check out this video, and just remember, when you go through, just remember your coupon code is Black Friday. All one word. Click on apply and you'll get 2 sites built for you, and you'll also get all of those bonuses as well, and I'd love to have you with us. I hope that's helped, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you really soon. Cheers, guys.